There are always these biases that women, they won't want to step out of their comfort zones.
So it's not just cloth, it's also a lot of plastic. And then this plastic starts to leach and creates even more problems in here.
We see a lot of value to this waste that is just thrown away here. We can see we can make a lot of furniture out of it. We can make walls, we can make flooring, ceiling. People assume there's a co-founder. And I want to really be like, there is no co-founder. You can make something viable out of waste, and you can build a complete business and enterprise around that, which is self-sustainable.
If there is less waste in our oceans and landfills, that's our mission solved, right?
We're here to change the narrative on waste in India and beyond.
Because this gorgeous planet that we inhabit, it is worth fighting for.